It is November 2nd, 2025, and I wanted to give a final update. You silly things, you just thought that you were done with these potato growing experiment updates. To see the full list of the experiments we did, I have the playlist in the description box below. But I wanted to show you. You can see this bed is still where I dug up those potatoes, as is this bed and this bed. You can see I have not done anything to them after digging up the potatoes in the last video. However, look. Again, I did nothing with this bed either after digging up the potatoes. But this is the only bed that has regrown potato plants. So apparently I missed some potatoes when I was digging them up. And just look at these. Aren't they beautiful? So it is, like I said, November 2nd. It's cold. Everything is pretty much dead in the garden. Last night or early this morning, we were supposed to have a pretty severe freeze, but we did not. However, that means we really could have a freeze at any time. So, and I have a company coming up to stay a week with us today, starting today. So I will not be back out here doing a video, but I am curious if there are potatoes growing under these plants here. Let me see if I can just pull one up real quick. Okay, I just pulled this plant up, and there's a couple little potatoes right there. Oh, looky there. There's a potato. Oh, wow. Look, there's another potato. Okay, I really did not expect to come out here and do this. I've been cleaning the house, and making bread, and getting food and stuff ready for this week. But I wanted to show you these green leaves before the frost came and killed them. And here we are, digging up potatoes. Okay, so I will have to go back into my notes and see what bed this was. I do know that this bed was, the potato was planted in a hole in the ground. I just don't remember if it was 6 inches deep or 12 inches deep, and I don't remember off the top of my head if these potatoes were planted whole like this or if they were cut and scabbed over. But I will put that information after I read it in my notes. I will put it here up on the screen for you to see. I think that these were the whole potatoes. Okay. All right. So that's what we got right there. That's unexpected. All right. So this plant was right here. And then this one is also, so this one would be the same as that one. And this one is over here, so this would be a separate one. That would either be 6 or 12 inches deep. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. I totally, like I said, was not expecting to come out and do this. But since I'm actually getting potatoes, I might as well dig them up and use them, huh? Okay, so I got these little few from this plant right here in the corner. All right, let's do this last one. Whoops, broke that off. Okay, there's 1, 2. Okay, so I bet the 2 I previously dug up were the 12 inches deep, and this one is probably the 6 inches deep. So about this green growth here, I've been watching this grow for about the last month or so, and I wanted to share it with you, but I kept wanting to wait to see if the other 3 beds would grow. And like I said, we were supposed to have our first severe frost and freeze last night, and which we didn't, but might as well have. I mean, it's pretty cold anyhow, but we didn't. And so now we're in early November, so nothing else is going to grow or even matter if it did. I mean, there's no signs on the other 3 beds. Okay, so it doesn't look like there's anything else on this one. So we got these. All right, so that is a nice little surprise.